Today we will start exercise number 7.2 for LPP. Write down example. Solve the following LPP using graphical method. Write down. Solve the following LPP using graphical method. Maximize Z is equal to 10x1 plus 25x2. 10x1 plus 25x2 subject to the constraints 0 is less than or equal to x1 is less than or equal to 3. Second constraint 0 is less than or equal to x2 is less than or equal to 3. थर्ड कन्स्ट्रेंट तीन कन्स्ट्रेंट आहेत पाहिजे एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आतापर्यंत आपण दोन कन्स्ट्रेंटचे एक्झाम्पल पाहिलेत x1 plus x2 is less than or equal to 5 and non negativity function x1 is greater than or equal to 0 and x2 is greater than or equal to 0. Find the maximum value of the objective function z. Solution. आतापर्यंत आपण दोन कन्स्टंट असणारे एक्झाम्पल पाहिले तर या ठिकाणी तीन कन्स्टंट आहेत त्याप्रमाणे आपण एक्झाम्पल सोडवायचं. राईट दिस इनइक्वेशन्स इन द इक्वॅलिटी फॉर्म. म्हणजे इनइक्वेशन्स जे आहेत ते इक्वेशन मध्ये रूपांतर करायचं. फर्स्ट इनइक्वेशन इज 0 इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू x1 इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 3 इज राईट x1 इज इक्वल टू 3. सेकंड इनइक्वेशन 0 is less than or equal to 2 is less than or equal to 3. We will write x2 is equal to 3. Third inequation x1 plus x2 is less than or equal to 5 is right x1 plus x2 is equal to 5. That is three equations. Case first for equation number 1 x1 is equal to 3. Case second for equation number 2 x2 is equal to 3. Case 3 we have to write x1 plus x2 plus 5. We have to use these equation for case 3 and case 4. Put x is equal to 0 in equation number 3. Therefore x2 is equal to 5. Therefore we have to write point A. x1 means x-axis, x2 means y-axis, that is x1 is x coordinate, x2 is y coordinate. Then we have to write first x1, that is x coordinate 0, and second coordinate is y, that is x2 is 5. Therefore A point is 0 5. Next case number 4, put x2 is equal to 0 in equation number 3. Therefore x1 is equal to 5. That B point is right 5 0. Then these points are we have to plot on the graph. That is we have to write graph. Graph is on the first quadrant. This will be x-axis, that is x1. This will be y-axis, that is x2. Then first equation, that is case first, x1 is equal to 3. x1 is x, right? x1 is x. It is the x coordinate. If x1 or x is equal to 3, this point is on the x-axis, this point P. x1 means x on the x-axis on 3, that is point P. Next second case, x2 is equal to 3, x2 means y-axis, this is point on the y-axis, Q point. पॉइंट कुठला आला पहा Q आला या ठिकाणी. म्हणजे x1 is equal to 3 P point on x-axis, x2 is equal to 3 Q point on y-axis. x1 is x-axis, x2 is y-axis. Then case number 3, point A 0 5, x-axis 0 and y-axis 5. This point A 0 5. Case number 4, point B 5 0. 5 is on x-axis, 0 is on y-axis. therefore point is on the x-axis. 0 5 0. Then we have to draw the lines. P x is equal to 3, this line. X is equal to 3, this line parallel to the y-axis, perpendicular to the x-axis, and x2 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 3 is on this line parallel to the x-axis and perpendicular to the y-axis. Then point we have to join. Next equation number 3, point कुठले आहेत पहा, A आणि B. We have to join these points A and B. We have to get this line. That is, this line is x1 plus x2 is equal to 5. This line is x1 is equal to 3, and this line is x2 is equal to 3. Right? That is, we have to take feasible region or shaded region. This equation is on the less than or equal to. आपल्याला दिलेले इक्वेशन्स कसे आहेत पहा, less than or equal to is on the origin side. That is, we have to take this feasible region. Can arrive O, P, R, S, Q, O. This will be our feasible region for these constraints. O, P, R, S, Q, O. That is, equations are less than or equal to. We have to write on the origin side this feasible shaded region is known as. Then the corner points are O, P, R, S, Q. Right? The feasible region will be O, P, R, S, Q, O. Then calculate the objective value of the objective function. Which points? These corner points O, P, R, S and Q. First we have to calculate the point coordinates of the point R and S. We have to calculate first the coordinates of the point R. On which equations? This point R is intersection of which lines? x1 is equal to 3 and x1 plus x2 is equal to 5. For these two lines we have to calculate point R is 3, 2. Similarly, we have to calculate point S. Point S is the intersection of which lines? x2 is equal to 3 and x1 plus x2 is equal to 5. For these two equations we have to calculate S point is 2, 3. Right? We have to calculate these 2 points. Next, points is on the line x2 and x1. Therefore, we have to calculate point R and S. Next step, therefore the maximum value of objective function Z. Therefore, the maximum value of the objective function Z at the corner points O, P, R, S and Q is Z means what? Objective function. आपला ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन कुठला आहे? Z आहे. that is Z at point first point O. corner point first कुठला आहे? O आहे. that is 0 0. Z at point O 0 0 is value 0. आपल्याला मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू काढायची पहा. नेक्स्ट Z at point P. which point P? x1 is equal to 3. x1 is equal to 3. That is 10 into 3 plus 25 into 0 is equal to 30. Next, Z at point R 3 2. Z at point R 3 2 आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला पॉइंट आहे पाहतो R 3 2 कॉर्नर पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट, that is 10 into x1, 10 into 3 plus 25 into x2, that is 25 into 2, that is 30 plus 50 is 80. The objective function Z ची व्हॅल्यू at point 3 2 ला किती आलेली आहे? 80. Next point, corner point S 2 3. Z at point ES2 3. 10 into x1 is 10 into 2 plus 25 into x2 is 3, that is 20 plus 75 is 95, right? 95. Next, Z at point Q, x2 is equal to 3, that is x1, 10 into x1 is 10 into 0 plus 25 into x2 is 3, that is 0 plus 75 is 75. Therefore आता व्हॅल्यूज कुठल्या आल्या पहा ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शनला फर्स्ट आली 0, सेकंड 30, थर्ड 80, फोर्थ 95 and fifth 75. Therefore the maximum value of the objective function z is equal to 95 at point 23 at point S23. म्हणजे आपल्याला मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू विचारलेली आहे पहा ती किती आलेली आहे या ठिकाणी ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन z ची 23 म्हणजे आपला आन्सर काय आलं the maximum value of the objective function z is equal to 95 at point S23. Example is complete. Next example, write down. Solve the following LPP by using graphical method. Solve the following LPP by using graphical method. आता मिनिमाइज आतापर्यंत आपण एक्झाम्पल कशी पाहिजे पहा मॅक्झिमाइज पाहिलेला आहे आता यानंतर मिनिमाइज मिनिमाइज मीन्स मिनिमम मॅक्झिमाइज म्हणजे मॅक्झिमम जास्तीत जास्त आणि कमीत कमी मिनिमाइज z इज इक्वल टू 20x प्लस 20y सब्जेक्ट टू ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन काय दिलेलं आहे पहा z इज इक्वल टू 20x प्लस 20y subject to constraints x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 8, 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 15, 5x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 20. These are constraints. And non-negativity functions x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. याचा अर्थ काय रे our graph is on the first quadrant only. Its solution. Write these inequations in the equality form. That is, we have to write these inequations in equations form. That is equal to greater than or equal to आहे त्या ठिकाणी काय करायला पाहिजे is equal to means equations form. These inequations आहेत. We have to write these are equations form. Then first x plus 2y is equal to 8. Equation number 1. Next second equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 15. Third equation 5x plus 2y is equal to 20. That is equation number 3. We have to write these three equations. Then we have to calculate the points A, B, C, D, E, F on these linear equations. Then case first we know put x is equal to 0 in equation number 1, 2y is equal to 8, y is equal to 4, a point 0 4 similarly on equation 1, b point 8 0, equation number 2, c point 0 7.5, d point 5 0, e point 0 10 and f point 4 0. मला पॉइंट आता कॅल्क्युलेट करता येतात पहा तुम्ही करा कॅल्क्युलेट व्यवस्थित आपण दिलेले आहेत ए बी सी डी ई एफ पॉइंट 6 पॉइंट आलेले आहेत वी हॅव टू प्लॉट धिस 6 पॉइंट्स ऑन दी ग्राफ देन प्लेन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम एक्स एक्सिस वाय एक्सिस स्केल 2 4 6 8 x axis y axis 2 4 6 8 then plot the graph point A 0 4 0 on x axis 4 on y axis is A point 0 on x axis y on 4 on y axis that is point is on the y axis. Next point B 8 0 x coordinate 8 y coordinate 0 that is point is on the x axis this B point. Similarly plot join these two points A B which equation x plus 2y is equal to 8. फर्स्ट लाइन क्लिअर झाली पहा. नेक्स्ट सी पॉइंट 0.7.5 दॅट इज ऑन y ऍक्सिस. सी पॉइंट या ठिकाणी आपण 0.7.5 7.5 0 x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 आहे, y कोऑर्डिनेट 7.5 आहे, म्हणून आपला पॉइंट हा y ऍक्सिस वरती असेल. दॅट इज 7.5 या ठिकाणी सी. त्यानंतर डी पॉइंट 80 8 कुठं आहे या ठिकाणी 80 y axis y coordinate 0 आहे. therefore we have to write point is on the x axis 80, that is this point B. Then point E 0 10 x axis 0, that is x coordinate 0 y coordinate 10, therefore point is on the y axis E. And F 40 y coordinate 0 आहे, त्यामुळे we have to plot this point is on the x axis. Join these lines A, B, C, D and E, F. Then the feasible region will be X, B, Q, P, E, Y. Right? The feasible region is X, that is x axis, B, Q, P, E, Y. P आणि Q आहेत पहा, point of intersection of which lines? P and Q. P point is on the which lines? 3x plus 2y is equal to 15, second equation. And थर्ड इक्वेशन 5x plus 2y is equal to 20. या दोन लाईनचा पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन P पॉइंट आहे, त्याच्यावरून आपण P पॉइंट काढायचा. त्या दोन लिनियर इक्वेशन सोडवून we have to solve these two linear equations and we have to get point P 2.5 and 3.7. 2.5 and 3.7. Next Q point is the intersection of which lines? Is the intersection of first line and second line. X plus 2y is equal to 8, first line AB, and second 3x plus 2y is equal to 15. For these two lines Q is the point of intersection. Then we have to solve these two linear equations and we have to get the value of point Q, that is the coordinates of the point Q is 3.5 and 2.25. We have to calculate P and Q points on these three linear equations. Then the maximum value of the objective function Z last. Then the maximum or minimum value असेल पहा. Then the minimum value of the objective function Z at the corner points B, Q, P, E, R. आपल्याला आता मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. कोणत्या कॉर्नर पॉइंटला? B, Q, P and E. डायग्राम मध्ये पहा पॉइंट्स B या ठिकाणी B, Q, P and E या चार कॉर्नर पॉइंटला आपल्याला मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन Z ची. Z at point first corner point B 80 20x plus 20y objective function आहे आपलं. We have to put this values. X is 8, y is 0 on this equation, that is 20 into 8 plus 20 into 0 is 160. Then next corner point Q 3.5 2.25, that is 20 into 3.5 plus 20 into 2.25 is 70 plus 45 is 115. Next corner point P, Z at point P 2.5 3.7, that is 20 into 3.7 plus 20 into 2.5 plus 20 into 3.7 is equal to 50 plus 74 is 124. Next point E, Z at point E 20 E काय रे 010 पॉइंट आहे आपला. E 010, that is 20 into 0 plus 20 into 10 दॅट इज 200. आपल्याला मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढायचे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शनचे. मग आता कुठले व्हॅल्यू आलेले आहे फर्स्ट पॉइंटला 160, 115, 124 अँड 200. मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू कमीत कमी व्हॅल्यू आहे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन झेड ची. therefore the objective function z has minimum value 115 at point q 3.5 2.25. Stop here.